Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from. And I talked about the symmetrical triangle pattern. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls got a good, solid breakout to the upside. You can see this morning, big surge up, got the break above that red trend line right there. And then at that point, this is just basic technical analysis. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So let's actually change that from red to green, support. And then you can see, you could throw this right into a textbook. Price broke above it, and then check out how it just cruised right above the trend line. So that's a fantastic, classic example of that resistance now acting as support. And so going forward, the level that you definitely want to see the price stay up above is going to be right here around that dollar, let's just call it $1.03 mark. For the reason of, if the price were to come down to $1.03 and break down through it, that's essentially all of a sudden putting the price back inside of the pattern that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power are not going to go back to where they were, right? They're going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward. So, I mean, even if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and work its way back upwards, sure, it's a little bit more of a pullback, but from the big picture, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair-steps, well, there you go. You'd still have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what it's all about, just showing stair-steps, showing signs of progress, which is, again, what that $1.03 mark is representing. But as of right now, that is the context. The context is a pattern breakout to the upside. In fact, I'm going to just go ahead and get rid of these lines there. They've served their purpose now. However, what about areas of resistance? So if this thing is going to keep on fighting upwards, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? And the next key battleground to watch very closely, going to be right up here at that $1.10 mark. So watch your $1.10 moving forward. And it's not like the price has to break above it on Thursday or anything like that. But just moving forward, that's going to be the main level to watch. But overall, nice looking chart, nice technical breakout. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.